Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. For those that are new here, my name's Captain.Spider. We're doing up a Prout Catamaran, 31 foot, quest, and we're going to go sail around the world. We're not going to go around once, we're going to go around twice. The engine, what we're doing now, is a Yanmar 2GM20F. This came with the boat, but the boat was partially sunk. How sunken, I do not know, but I know it was underwater, this engine, or so far underwater, just by where the sand's been laying in the gearbox and around the flywheel. But this engine came with the boat. I've had it all reboard and everything. I put another engine in just to get it moved, which was a Yanmar 2GM20. That's come out now, and then we've rebuilt the original engine that came with the boat. So anyway, let's crack on with this engine. Alright, back down at the boat. Engine saga. Oh, look at this. Look, I've just come down to find this. Panel was broke there. So look, it didn't blow right off, drop on the floor and smash. But I think these will be getting replaced anyway. I think. I hadn't even thought about the solar yet, so that's next on, well, that's all in the list. Right, I'm going to put this battery on charge now. I've purchased this to replace that fuse down there. Can you remember? That one there, we just bridged it together, so I'm going to take that out and put this in. And then that'll get rid of that out of the equation. Right, I've took out that fuse out and I've installed this on them connector blocks there. So it's only a temporary measure. These will get soldered in and heat shrinked and everything. I just want to make sure I've got good circuits. I just want to make sure I've got a good continuity, so that it'll eliminate the bad fuse connection here. Right, we're having a bit of joy now. So this is where we're at now. So this board panel hasn't originally come with this boat. I dropped it and I broke this here. It snapped. £120 to replace this is. But look here now anyway. This is where we're at. Look in here. There. So that's telling us low oil. There. And then this one, if it starts overheating, this one comes on, and then we've just got to sort out the electric one now, the alternator for the power. So we're making progress. Ah, that's better. So the issue was the oil one there. On that oil one, bad connection, that's all it were. I went through continuity and I was getting a good signal all the way through, but it was the oil pressure sensor. So that's the oil. This one is the temperature. So when it gets hot, that'll open up and create the circuit and then set the alarms going. So we've just got the alternator one now to work out. Right then, we're jerry rigged now, just to test out all the wiring and things. It's not 100%, it's just a test, and then I know we're in the right direction. So we're going to fire it up and hopefully all the warning lights will go off. Alright, but we've still got to bleed the fuel through as well, so it's going to take a bit of starting. So the test is that to go out, that's oil, and that's the charge. So let's see if we can get it fired up, and if they go out, we're running. Right. Right, we're starting because we're wired up to the wrong panel. Right, let's just wire up to the right panel. That's this. That's off the old panel. Right, let's try again. Here we go. It's all live. It's all live recording. Right, round 2. Take 2. Right, I'll get back to you on this. Right then, let's try again. A loose connection. Right, let's see what we get here. Right. Right, let's see what we've got. We want these lights to go out. Right, we haven't got the gas attached yet. That's a good sign, that is. It's nearly firing up, but these lights are going out, which is a good sign. Look, the yellow's back on now, and then they go off. So we know. So we know that the oil pressure's working, and the alternator switch is working. Right, let's get it fired up and give it a run through a minute or two. So let's get her wired up properly now. Right then, this is where we're at then. So we've got, that's the gas, and that's the kill. We've got these to wire up. We've got this to wire up into the main tank, into the main fuel tank. I went back into the, just into the white diesel. We've got red diesel in the main tank there because it's cheaper. It's meant to be for tractors and that, agricultural use. So, and then we'll get the wire, we'll get the panel, we'll get the panel wired up properly and that lot, and then we'll just get it, and then we're gonna have to bleed it all through again then from the main fuel tank. But I just went with the white diesel on that emergency tank because I knew it was good diesel. Right, let's crack on. Right, reserve fuel can is disconnected now. We've got it running on its own steam here. Well, we're wired up for its own steam, for its own fuel. Jerry rigged, but there you go. So we're connected into the main fuel now. We're connected in there, and then the return is just jerry rigged down there. That's going into the main return there. So I've pumped fuel through to here, to the fuel filter. There's a fuel filter in there, and then this is where we're at here. Look, oil. We haven't got sorted out the alternator yet. Right then, let's see what we get. Is the button gonna work? Oh, I've still got this battery charger connected, look. Let me undo that. Let me unplug this first. Right, that's unplugged. Right, let's go again. I ain't got the throttle starter connected. I'm missing the bracket here, so this bracket here is missing to connect it, so we're gonna have to do it manually. Running on our own thing! Right, he's running. We have a major oil leak, look. There, look. Seems to be coming out of the head, but it's everywhere down there. There, look. I wonder if it's just that rocker cover gasket. There's no back pressure coming out of there, so we're alright there. I nearly had a baby when I saw that oil leak. No, well, I'm over exaggerating. I nearly had kittens, yeah. I'll put you out your misery. That oil leak was the rocker box cover. It wasn't on correctly, so the oil started dribbling out of there. So we could make it into a special and run it into next week. Oh, my oil's leaking everywhere. But no, it was just a little mishap. So anyway, Gold Star, you've made it this far. Thanks for coming along, yeah. So next week we're putting water through the engine, and we should have that up and running now. It should be finished, and then I've had a word with the boatyard. The mast is going to come down, and I'm trying to organise rigging and things. So that'll be happening in the next few weeks. Fingers crossed, money permitting. Well, it's come to this time now. I'd like to say thank you so much for watching, and hopefully enjoying it. If you have enjoyed the video, a little like would be good, and possibly subscribe if you want to come around the world and see the world with me through Cpt.Spider's eyes. It'll get interesting, I'm sure. So anyway, I'd just like to say Ciao. Adieu. Love you guys. Bye for now.